Hi. Happy Sunday. Happy Sunday. Happy Sunday. Happy Sunday. We have a lot to go through. A lot. But I already warned you that it was going to be a lot. Like, we knew this. This is not nothing we did not know. We knew that it was going to be quite a bit this week. I am pulling up. Make sure we're in the right spot. I hope you guys are having a great weekend. There's no rain today. If you're in my area, you know how significant this is. There is no rain today. That's like a big deal. That's like a huge deal. I feel like we all need boats to get around anywhere. And yesterday was prom. Casey got crowned prom princess. So pictures are coming. All right. I'm looking at all of the clamshells and I'm like, I don't even know where to start. Okay, let's start with the bedroom. So, y'all know we use the Puddles and Petals collection, the Segura Desert Rain, which is the sexy man scent. We used that one. We used Serene Succulent, which is from that Happiness Blooms collection that is in Epcot. We did a live on that one before, and remember, it's a really good, it's really good, because I don't know what succulents smell like. And it had, sorry guys, this one had the Serene Succulent, the Hydrangea Bouquet, and the Honeysuckle Dew. Remember, this little 3-bar collection had those 3 in it. Serene Succulent. I liked it so much I got it again. So that one, we used that one in the bedroom. And then Water Lily and Bergamot. Why does my dog have to be at my butt? Completely different. Like, so Sexy Man. This one is surprisingly strong and a tiny bit sweet. And then Water Lily and Bergamot is, it's very watery. Very, very watery. That's what I put in yesterday. Those 3 in the bedroom. The bathroom, that was what I wanted to look at. I feel like it is there. Let's see. No, okay. That's fine. All right. Bathroom. We used, again, Puddles and Petals collection, the Coastal Rain Cove, which is the laundry-ish one, the one that smells very, very laundry-like. Then we used Jade and Jasmine, which is a very, very old scent. So as a consultant, we have access to the scent warmer of the month on the 15th. So we're in May. On the 15th, I will get access to the June scent and warmer of the month. And if you want it, they send it to you early and you get bars of it. You get like 6 bars, the warmer, stickers, brochures, things like that. That's how y'all get all your goodies in the mail. So you get those. Well, during COVID, when everything was wild and crazy, we were having trouble. I think we were having trouble just getting the clamshell part. It was either that or the label. There was something that was delaying the process some. So instead of getting bars, we got bricks of the scent. Like, we got 1 brick of the scent, which is fine. It just takes a little, I feel it takes a little bit longer to use. So Jade and Jasmine was a scent of the month during COVID. And that's why I still have a brick of it. It's divine. If it ever comes back, you definitely need to get it. It's Sexy Man. I would highly suggest a dupe for this one is Mystery Man. It's not the same. I'm going to be honest. It's not the same. But it's pretty. It'll get you going. It'll cover it. So we used the Jade and Jasmine brick in the bathroom. The Coastal Rain Cove. And then the Find Your Happy collection. We actually have 3 of them in clearance. We have the Sunrise with Friends, Wild, Barefoot, and Free, which I also used in the bathroom several times, and Showered and Flowers. This one is Taste of Summer. It's good. It's good. It's lemony and orangey. And it's just nice. It's just like fresh. It's not too fruity. I would suggest if you were wanting something like this, as far as current, I don't 100% know. I'd have to take a minute and think. But in the clearance section, I would highly suggest getting the Sunrise with Friends scent. First of all, it's on clearance, so it's cheaper. But that was bathroom. So bathroom, we did Sexy Man, laundry, and then a little bit fruity. Okay. Let's do the desk. Let's do my desk. Let's see. We mixed a lot. We did mix a lot because we were just trying to get through the bars. So first up, we did the Puddles and Petals collection. We did the Rugged Mountain Rain. And again, here in the desk, it's right behind you. This one is the lighter of them. And I'll be honest, when I put it in the warmer, I did smell it. It's nothing like, oh, but it's not bad. Do you know what I mean? It's not like, it's not a waste of a scent. If that, I think is how I'm trying to say it. It is not, you can wait. It's not a waste of a scent. Like, it's not like you're not going to smell it at all. It is just much lighter. I will probably move this into the bathroom and make it a bathroom scent because I have a box in the bathroom that's bathroom, box, or the bedroom that's bedroom. So honestly, I will probably move this into the bedroom and make it a bedroom scent. Then I blended Fear and Spooky But Sweet. All right, this is a very odd combination, but it was actually really good. It was fall-ish from the Spooky But Sweet. Fear, this collection was amazing. And if you got it in the clearance, the last flash sale that we had on the 15th, I did too. Totally did. I totally bought a whole nother box of it because it's that flippin' good. Fear is very grapey. And then Spooky But Sweet is bakery and like cinnamony. So this did overpower this, but that's okay. I would suggest Black Raspberry Vanilla. It is not the same, but it's about the only grapey set we got going on. But we used up both of those. Then Lemon Heaven, which was from our Easter collection, which left at the end of the month. That's what we've got going on right now. What would I suggest? It's really good. It's really good. I would go Lemon Sorbet, or, as funny as it's going to sound, Cake Me to Paradise. Lemon Heaven it's like a little bit of like a lemon cakey scent. Cake Me to Paradise is that cakey scent, but it's a little orange. It's like an orange cake. It's really delicious. And then Lemon Sorbet is that like soft, creamy lemon. So that's what we use here in the office. Kitchen. Again, we got rid of some bars. We are cleaning house. So what did we use? We blended up some stuff. First, Puddles and Petals collection. I cannot get enough of it. Honestly, I used it in all of the warmers, and that's very rare. I used Quaint Country Rain in the kitchen. This one's good. This one is so good. It's very rain. It's very rainy. Out of all of them, to me, this is the rain scent. Then we blended, because we're getting rid of some of those bars, Eggnog and Sweetheart Sugar Cookie. This one was from the Scent of the Seasons collection. This one was from the Valentine's Day collection. I would highly suggest to get something similar to these, the Cinnamon Vanilla that we have right now. It's going to give you that cookie scent, and then it's going to give you the cinnamon from the Eggnog. Then we blended some more. This one was a really good blend. I blended the Scentsy Sunshine scent, which was our signature scent for SFR in Orlando. So it's big, it's orangey, it's fruity, it's good. You only got this set if you went to SFR. So I ration it very carefully. I still have 2 bars of it left. It's very orange, very orange. And I blended it with Italian Sunshine, which is available, which is divine. It's super fruity, but it's got a tingle, like a tang in your nose. This one does really good. And then blended it together. It was really good. So I would suggest getting Italian Sunshine and blending it with Sunkissed Citrus. I think it would be very, very close to what I used, but also delicious because you can smell, this one is more like a lemony berries kind of with the tang, and then you throw in that orange from the Sunkissed citrus. It was a good blend. It was a really, that's what I've got going in there right now, and it's really, my house smells extremely fruity because I've got lemon going in here. I have that fruity blend in the kitchen. And then we'll talk about the pods in the hallway, and like my house smells extremely fruity right now, and it's so good. It's so good. So that's all the wax. Let's talk my car. We used Blue Grotto Scent Circle and Luck of the Rainbow Pods. You guys know how obsessed I am with Luck of the Rainbow. Every order I put in, I throw a pack of Luck of the Rainbow Pods in it. Because I can't club pods. So I think I have 4 or 5 packs of Luck of the Rainbow Pods. It's so good. And Luck of the Rainbow scent is in my club. That's how good it is. No joke. So my car smells like Fruit Loops. I have the Luck of the Rainbow Pod, Blue Grotto, which is the other, like, some people say it smells like Fruit Loop. It's just very fruit punchy to me. It's like blue raspberry Kool-Aid, honestly. That is going in my car right now too. So my car smells amazing. Amazing. So Luck of the Rainbow Pods are in my car. In the wall, the tabletop that's over there, I did Coconut Blossom. I always put the scent of the month in pods in that tabletop. And Coconut Blossom is just really, really good. It's fresh. It's clean. A little florally. It is really, it's really good. And it's got a hint of water in it. Not a ton, but it does got a hint of water in it. Let's see if I can, Falling Apples is a fall scent. It's like Johnny Appleseed for the fall. So it's like more appley with a hint of like those fall things. Get your spring and summer, get Johnny Appleseed. That's what I would do. Like, it literally smells like Johnny Appleseed, but just with some fall twist in it. I put this one in the purifier in the gym area. Bundled Up is from the winter collection. I don't remember which one. We always have so many collections in the winter. It's clean. I would go like a Jammy Time. Jammy Time's gonna be much, much, much bigger than this, but it's what it is. It's like a clean, cozy, fluffy fleece, magnolia linen type of scent. I put this one in the purifier in the bedroom. And Jammin' Jubilee. Yeah, I had to think. Jammin' Jubilee. I swear to God, I thought this came back. Like, I really did. I swear I saw it, and then it's gone. Like, it's in room spray. It's room spray in the clearance section. I swear I saw it in the catalog, but it's not in there. It's berries. It's berries and blackberries. I would go with Berry Sweet. So we have Strawberry Bliss. Is that the one we have? Yeah. We have Strawberry Bliss right now, and we have Berry Sweet. Okay. You would think they're very, very similar. They're not. Berry Sweet is similar to this. It's all your berries. It's strawberries, blackberries, raspberries. It's all those berry scents. Strawberry Bliss is strawberry. It's just strawberry. There's very, very few hint of anything else in it. It's a very strawberry-y scent. So that's the difference. So if you liked Jammin' Jubilee, I would highly suggest going either A, get it in room spray in the clearance section, or I would go Berry Sweet. It's a little bit, Berry Sweet is stronger than Jammin' Jubilee, but we put this in the wall fan in the hallway over there. So my house is really fruity. Really, we got apples, we got berries, we've got lemons, we've got oranges, and berries in the kitchen. It's like super fruity. It makes me smile. It makes me happy. So we made it through. We got through all. That is what I'm using this week. I did use oils, but I'm not going to bore you with those this week, but we did use oils. Still using laundry. Matter of fact, I just filled up laundry liquid, because mine has the drawer at the bottom, and you has a container at the bottom, and you pour all of your laundry liquid in the bottom, or laundry detergent, or whatever you use, you pour that all down there in the bottom, and then it automatically dispenses it. Like, I don't have to do anything. And I just, like, it'll flash at me and it says detergent low. And I'm pretty sure I filled that up this week, and I used Fluffy Fleece. I switch between Fluffy Fleece, Magnolia Linen, and Arctic Kiss, whichever I have available. Like, I stocked up on Magnolia Linen and Arctic Kiss when we had them, and I rotate. I just grab whichever one. I'm running low and it's making me sad. So there we go. That's where we're at as how to say hi. I hope that you guys have a good rest of your Sunday. Enjoy your day. Make sure you go and change your wax. Tell me what you're changing your wax to. Change it today to start off your week great, or change it tomorrow to make it even better. But definitely go change your wax.